In this training, we're going to create a product shot for this fictional soft drinks brand. And really the focus of this training is workflow. Modo has a lot of really nice usability features, and I want to show you how you can leverage them so that you work faster and more efficiently. And this is especially true when you're modeling. I'm going to show you how to switch extremely quickly between different kinds of views and different viewport modes so that everything happens fluidly without ever interrupting your flow. And I'm also going to show you how you can permanently save any customizations you make so that they'll survive updates of Modo and you can migrate them to any other machine you happen to be working on. But as well as that, I'll also be covering some practical techniques such as subdivision surface modeling when it comes to modeling, for example, the details on the top of the can, and of course shading and texturing, and I'll show you how to create a nice brush metal material for the metallic parts of this can. And then I'll also show you how to create some really nice looking condensation using replicators, and I'll also show you how you can control your replicators using textures and modifiers so that you'll be able to control the size and density of your replicated items using textures and also the direction that they're facing in using modifiers. Then we'll also cover UV mapping, staging, and of course lighting and rendering. And so the training is going to walk you through the entire project from start to finish and show you the most efficient ways to work. So even if you're a seasoned Modo user, it's very likely that you'll pick up some useful tips in this training. And of course, if you're a beginner, then it's going to be extremely useful. So if this sounds like the kind of thing that you'd like to know more about, join me in product rendering in Modo from start to finish.